Start. The practicing lawyers have written a letter to the Supreme Court asking for appropriate proceedings to be initiated in regard to the recently leaked screenshots from Instagram group within single quote Boys Locker Room, which have now gone viral. Stop para. Addressing the Secretary General, the 5-page letter throws light on the incident which surfaced on May 3 and urges the Apex Court to take up the matter since the incident is one that shocks the very conscience of the nation. Stop para. After giving a detailed overview of the nature of the group, the content that was leaked, and activities that take place in the within single quote Boys Locker Room, it is informed that the Delhi Commission for Women within bracket DCW took up the matter and issued notice to Instagram and Delhi Police on May 4. Stop. Subsequently, it is further apprised the Delhi Police Cyber Crime Cell has taken cognizance of the matter, while a case has also been registered under the Indian Penal Code within bracket IPC and IT Act on the basis of social media reports. Stop. Within quote, the above act also constitute offence under section 67 and 67 capital A of the Information Technology Act 2000 and section 506, 507, 509, 465 and 471 IPC. Quotation close. It is stated. Stop para. However, it is the concern of these lawyers that Instagram could cite privacy concerns being involved and use the same to delay proceedings. Stop. Believing that a timely investigation is the need of the hour, the Apex Court has been urged to ensure the same by monitoring the probe. Stop para. Within quote, on basis on social media reports, a case has been registered under relevant sections of IT Act and other relevant IPC sections. Stop. However, the tech giants have the potential of citing privacy concerns and thus lead to a delay in the entire inquiry and investigation process. Stop. While we do not discount that the social media platforms would need adequate information and formal police complaints will be required to be lodged to probe into this matter. However, timely redressal will, in our opinion, restore the faith in the process of investigation and fair trial which has shaken to the core by the wrongdoers. Stop. Quotation close para. The primary concern that has been thrown open here is regarding the privacy and safety of women on video sharing platforms. Stop. The incident, write the advocates, brings to light the ease with which cyberbullying can be indulged in under the veil of anonymity, as obscene and objectionable material may be shared comfortably. Stop para. This aside, the alarming attitude of teenage boys objectifying girls, glorifying rape and threatening girls with shame is an extremely serious problem, adds the letter. Stop. Since the matter involves sensitization and counseling of juveniles, the top court must intervene. Stop para. Within quote, it is appalling how boys as young as 15 years of age glorify rape, discuss techniques of raping and gang raping women and objectifying them in the most horrendous manner. Stop. Above all, instead of being apologetic or fearful, they are openly threatening the girls who are calling them out in public with dire consequences. Stop. If threats such as being raped, gang raped, tortured, and being beaten are so casual and common that they do not incite fear among the wrongdoers, then these wrongdoers certainly do not dread being investigated, charged, or being punished. Quotation close. Claim the three advocates practicing in Supreme Court. Stop para. Within court, in view of the above, we request that this horrific incident be taken up by the Honorable Supreme Court on the judicial side to address the multifarious issues arising therefrom. Stop. This issue raises issue of not only privacy, safety and well-being of women but also of sensitization and counseling of juveniles who are engaging in such conduct. Stop quotation close para. Additionally, the court has been implored to intervene so as to ensure that jurisdictional challenges do not become an impediment in pursuing the investigation. Stop para. Within court, we also request the intervention of the Honorable Supreme Court since there might be jurisdictional challenges in pursuing the inquiry and investigation into this offence due to the nature of the offence being such. Stop. A directive of the Honorable Supreme Court would ensure that such challenges do not become an obstacle in timely inquiry, investigation and adjudication of the allegations. Stop quotation close. Stop.